Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please follow this page, like, drop your comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lily TV Talk Show, on my Facebook, Lily TV Talk Show. You are highly welcome for my page. So today we are talking about Reddito de Emergencia. Reddito de Emergencia. You guys know that since last year when there is this COVID and all those things, there are different kind of bonus and bonus and bonus. But we still thank God some people are receiving it. Some people are not receiving it that much, but at all not bad pass, you understand. So they did this Reddito de Emergencia, because this Reddito de Emergencia is for people wey no dey collect bonus from other places. So this thing only come out during the COVID, you understand. So they said they will give people 3 months. So they did the application since. So they supposed to give them the first payment this month on the 15th, so they no pay. But IMS don't talk and send the message say na their fault, na dem delay and all those things. Why some people no receive message from IMS? Simply, if you no receive message from IMS to tell you wetin happen and all those things, that means the number wey you give them maybe no correct or something. Because now waiting, if IMS wan send message, then they put everybody wey dem wan send message, put their number, they will click OK, everybody will receive at the same time. They no come fit dey send message to individual person, no, dey possible. So then they put all the number of people they want, except there's something wrong, they reject them, they respin and all those things, they will not send you. But people when they accept, they tell them say see the reason, say they delay and all those things. So the first payment don't start on the 20th. Now it start for people wey they don't receive first one, because the thing will last for May, June, July, you understand. For some people wey never still receive their own, they will pay them from they would expect their own on the 24th to 25th. They will give them their own, because now every month they go pay. So that be the thing. And again, some people they say they don't know why some people money big pass their own and all those things. Why some people money big pass their own? Some people money big pass your own because the way is the calculator is different from the way you the calculator. They say the money where you go receive now from 400 euro to 860, 840. But how they will calculate it depend how many will be for family, you understand. Now so they calculate them according to how many will be for una family. If you be one person, sure say na 400 euro go reach your hand. If you be husband and wife with one pikin, 680 euro will reach una hand. So that's what they calculate. Before you go get up to 800 or 800 and something, except you get disabled for your house, now you feel person with disability, now you feel get that kind amount, you understand. And secondly, if you just talk say disability, a lot of our people will say they say God forbid I don't get disabled. No, disabled na many ways. Anything where your mate they do where you know fit do is disabled, is disability. If your mate they talk and you they stammer, na disabled, you understand. But it get how it go worst, you understand. They go say this one really, they get grade by grade. Even if you want to do bonus for disabled child self, it get grade by grade. Depend on the grade will determine the code. They get number of how the thing don't reach, because our doctor they look at now. They go the document where all these people they carry waka, when they get disabled, they get category by category, because now law where they pass different things. So as they pass the law, they get code by code. So that's so it be. So they said they will complete the money for July. So if people have never received their own, they wait on the 24th to 25th, they will get their own. So they say that every month they will pay instrumentally. They don't pay once. They will pay one month. Then they will take pay every month in July. You understand? So how they calculate the amount? Be say they say product of when one person is 400 euro multiplied by the coefficients of the equivalent scales, a number linked to the people present in the family. They say value. How they value the money they give person? Be say they say value one for the person applying. 1% is for the person wey dey apply. Value of 0.4 for each other adult. If another person wan join, that one go be 0.4%. na so e take dey calculate am. The person wey dey apply na 1%. The person wey, if another adult like wife come join am, e go be 0.4%. You understand? If small pikin come dey the house, e go be 0.4. You understand? That is how they calculate am. So they come talk say if person maybe 2 adult with 1 pikin wey get serious condition for disability, that one own the money go reach €800 or 840. You understand? So they do example. They say, for example, Mr. Mario Rossi live with his wife and an 8-year-old son. His emergency income will amount to €400 base amount, that is based on that one person. That Mr. Mario, he own a base €400. That means 1.6%. Mario Rossi plus that is plus 0.4 for his wife, plus his wife now. Then Ado is son, now plus 0.2 for his son. So total is €640. Now you go reach their hand. The person wey apply 400 plus his wife and the pikin go come make an addition of €240. So that is how they share it. So don't talk say this person money big pass my own. Then they calculate am according to the person normally is for wey they apply is €400. From there they call the increase plus the people wey dey the family they join before. But before you go reach that 8 something, you must have a person wey get disability wey is serious for the family. That is how they calculate it. So you guys know say they won't add another 4 months join am for people. And for those people wey they won't add that 4 months wey they won't add join am, if e go reach like September, they will pay am. Because if they finish this one July now, then August, September, October, November, that one go reach November. Sorry, go reach November, they will pay again. I believe say that one go start for September, because IPS never talk how people will take apply for that one. They never really bring the form, whether na automatic or people wey already apply, they go dey give them like that, just automatic, no, or they will go apply. But they never really talk how they go take do that one. But they only talk how wetin you need before you go qualify. They say if you dey collect bonus for other places, you no fit apply for it, except you dey unemployed as from on the February this year. Last year you come dey this year you dey disoccupied, you no come get work again. Maybe you dey work as from last year, you come dey disoccupied. That is when you can be able to apply. And they say you must resident to qualify. You must resident for Italy, and you must get movable asset of less than €10,000. You understand? If you get wife, addition of that is your own will be 10,000. If you can't get wife, addition of 5,000, making 15,000. At least you make it no pass €20,000 maximum. Your annual income. And your ISE, you know say annual income now when they never minus all your expenditure, all your house rent and all those things. So they don't say your ISE must not pass 15,000. This one even big pass ready to the Cittadinanza. That one are 9,300. This one are 15,000. To apply for that 4 months, they say your ISE must not pass 15,000. You understand? So that be the thing. They never really talk when the thing, whether they go be automatic or you need to apply again. So when this one finish on the 15th of June, the next payment for ready to the emergency, and they don't pay. They start to pay for this month on the 20. So next month they will pay now 50, because you know say they're supposed to pay you guys on the 50, but they delay. They now start paying on the 20, but next month they will pay on the 15. Then on July again they'll pay on the 50. After that one, before they will now know how they want to extend it. The next 4 1, which I believe say will start for September. You understand? So thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Please drop your comments, anything you want us to talk about things that happen in Italy, bonus and all those things. You drop your comment down below. I will get back to you by using it to do video for you to understand how it happened. Thank you. Please follow this page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comment, give the video a thumbs up if you feel it's helpful. And again, if the video does not helpful to you, please share it to somebody, your loved one, that might be useful to that person. Bye bye. Thank you.